thanks for tuning in. What is an assault rifle? This explanation comes from a Romanian. I'm a Romanian citizen. I live in Romania. I'm a gun enthusiast. For the moment, I own 3 rifles and a handgun. 4 weapons in total, 4 guns. So, what is an assault rifle? Well, assault rifle is a wrong definition, a wrong term given to rifles, the carbines. If you ask the average US citizen to give you 3 examples of assault rifles, I bet you they will say AK-47s, AR-15s, and I don't know, probably an Uzi or Mac 10, Mac 11, and something fully automatic. Well, first of all, assault is an action. Assault is not an adjective, okay? It does not describe something, with only one exception. The only situation where you can name a rifle, where you can give a rifle the name of assault rifle, is when that particular rifle was used in a violent attack, because assault means to violently attack someone. So if someone, for example, uses a real rifle, let's imagine this wasn't a replica and somebody had this rifle, the only 2 ways that I can think about that he could have used it in an assault would be to physically hit someone with the rifle, or to shoot that poor guy with the rifle, because that's what a rifle is for, to shoot. A rifle or a weapon, a gun, to talk about all the weapons, a gun sends out a projectile from very far away, helps you hit your target without getting into physical combat, okay, without you having the need to get physical with your target, whatever that target may be. Okay, so every time you hear someone say, "Oh, assault rifle this, assault rifle that," no, it's full of bullshit, because an assault rifle is a rifle that was used in a violent attack. If a rifle is sitting on the shelf in the gun store, that is not an assault rifle. By the way, according to the European gun laws, they say that assault rifles are rifles that have a detachable magazine and the fire selector. Well, what do you know? I own an AK-47 variant made by Romanians, by novamodule.com. It's a Romanian company. Well, it has a 10-round magazine, and it's a semi-automatic. It also has the fire selector, which only has 2 positions, safe and fire, in semi-automatic. But it does have a fire selector, doesn't it? And it does also have a magazine, doesn't it? Well, does that make me a felon? No. Does that make my rifle an assault rifle? No. Why? Because it was not used in a violent attack against someone. Okay? So, in the end, I just want you to know that a Romanian guy living in Central Europe, which is a big gun enthusiast, believes this: assault rifles is a bad name given to carbines. It's no one's fault. It's not the rifle's fault, because stupid motherfuckers decided to use them to hurt people. Only those guns used in violent attacks may be considered assault rifles. By the way, have you ever heard about assault pistols? Maybe an assault knife, an assault machete, an assault computer screen, computer monitor, assault, assault light bulb. You can assault beer bottle. You can violently attack someone using a beer bottle. Trust me, you can. But have you ever heard this noun? Have you ever heard this expression? these words? Assault beer bottle? No, you haven't. Trust me, you haven't. Why? Because assault rifle stirs people up, stirs the shit. And everyone has been used to hearing these words, assault rifle. Trust me, it's not an assault rifle unless it's used in a violent attack. I'm Broadheader, and thanks for listening to me. God bless, and stop saying assault rifles if they're not used in violent attacks. Bye.